Okay, today we're going to show you how to install your SkiRam. You'll receive your SkiRam probably in a box looking in this configuration. Now to disassemble this, you're going to have a lock pin, has a release button. Press that button and it releases the pin. And then you have your two separate pieces here. These pieces here are printed by DustRam LLC on an HP Jet Fusion 4200 3D printer. These are some very, very, very nice pieces of equipment here. The bottom cap on this unit, you notice it has a front lip and then it has like a tail section. Okay, what these will do is this front lip slides into your base, that snaps in, and you replace your pin. What I'm going to do is show you how to replace this cap on the Bosch model 11264EVS. This is almost an exact duplicate other than the front lip and the rear tail. Okay, so these units, this will go on this unit, which will enable you to use the SkiRam. Okay, so the tools you'll need to replace this cover is going to be a slotted screwdriver, a T20 possibly, a T10 absolutely. This is going to be used for taking your screws out of your switch. Okay, 5mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt for the cover, and a felt marker to make sure you mark your location for the cord where they go in at. Okay, so T5, the 5mm, excuse me, will go in here to remove this bolt. This removes your cap. This exposes where your cord is. As you can tell, this is a newer unit. Okay, you'll have the location of where the cord is. Now, what you want to do with your marker is, before you remove this cord, is mark the locations: white, black, and green. So we're going to do that right now while we're doing this. Okay, that's marked. Okay, now we can proceed. You have a cord clamp here. This is a newer one, so it's a T20 Torx, but it also has the ability to use a slotted bit on it. If I can find it. If you have a T20, it will work a lot better, but a slotted screwdriver will take care of it. Okay, you want to set your little parts there aside. So now we're using our T10 to loosen the screws. Okay. You want to back them off until they're flush with the back of the switch component. Cord out. Okay, we'll set this down. So now you'll pull your cord guard. You pull your cord through, remove your cord guard. You pick up your other cap. I'm going to slide it through like so. And then you will slide your cord guard on. Okay, and then we're going to put our cords back into our proper places where they belong. The white goes in the white. The black goes in the black. The green goes in the green. Sometimes it's a little hard to find those little holes. Then you're going to tighten your screws up. Now you just want to tighten these until they're snug. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to over torque them because you might strip them out. Okay, that's good there. Okay, this is the clamp portion that holds your cord in. You'll notice it has a lip right here, which that lip will hook into a piece on the back part here, and then there's a hole on the other side where the screw will screw in and screw it into place and hold it nice and tight for you. So, you compress your cord, you hook your lip, you get your screw started, get it started like so. Okay, and this, because this is a plastic housing, you want to maybe back thread this till you feel the threads fall into their hole, and then you can tighten it up, and that will hold your cord in place. Make sure you got plenty of meat for that clamp to hold on to, because if you don't clamp it in there with enough meat on it, the cord can pull loose, and that can short out your cord and possibly your switch. So, okay, with that done, we can slide this cord guard up into place. Okay, then we can slide the SkiRam base into place, cover. Now, you want to make sure that it goes down. Do not force it too seriously. You want to see how that just snapped in there? Now, with your SkiRam, you will get with it a new 3D printed 5mm bolt. You want to use that because that's going to be, you know, it kind of goes with the cover. So we tighten that baby up, put it in there, make sure it's snug. Okay, now you want to feed your cord through your nice little SkiRam here. You want to hook it on the front lip first. Here it's snap in the back. Take your T handle, slide it in, and now you have a fully assembled SkiRam.